What's up, you guys? It's Katie, and today we are learning the dance Casanova Cowboy. This is 32 counts, 4 walls with no tags and no restarts, and this goes to the song Cowboy Casanova by Carrie Underwood. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting with 2 walks forward, right, left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to be doing an anchor step. So I'm taking my right foot, locking it behind me on 3, 3, and I'm stepping my left foot in place, and then 4, I'm stepping backwards on that right foot. Okay? 3 and 4. So locking 3 and 4. 5, 6, I'm going to be doing a full turn over my left shoulder. So stepping left and then right. So 5, making a half turn. 6, making a full turn. And then 7 and 8, doing a left coaster step. 7 and 8, back, back, forward. Okay, so let's just try that first count of 8, starting with 2 walks. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we're on our second count of 8. We're going to be doing some hip bumps forward. I'm going to be taking my right foot, placing basically my toe in front of me so that I have some leverage to bump my right hip out. So I'm going to be stepping forward with my right foot on 1 and 2. I'm bumping my hip out and 2, and then bringing that back down. And as I'm doing that, bringing that back down, I'm stepping back down on that foot. Okay, so that's 1 and 2. 3 and 4, I'm doing the same thing on my left side. So stepping out, 3 and 4, bumping with that hip. Okay, 5, 6, I'm going to be rocking forward on my right foot. 5, recovering onto my left foot on 6. 7 and 8, I'm doing a right triple step, right, left, right, and making a 3/4 turn over my right shoulder. So I'm going to end facing 9 o'clock, turning a 3/4 turn. So 7 and 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that count of 8. We started with our hip bumps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this next count of 8, I think, is the most complicated part of the dance because it doesn't really look like anything that we do in other dances. So I'm going to teach this section facing the camera first, but keep in mind that we're doing it toward 9 o'clock. So what we're doing first is we're coming out of that triple step, right? Like that right, left, right. So 1, 2, I'm doing a side rock on my left foot. 1, recover, 2. 3 and 4, I'm doing a cross and heel with my left foot, starting with a cross with my left or my right. 3 and 4. Okay, and 5, I'm then doing a ball cross with my right foot, and 5. 6, I'm sweeping my left foot from front to back, or from back to front. 6. 7 and 8, I'm doing the 3 steps of a syncopated left jazz box. So I'm crossing over 7, back, and then out 8. Okay, that syncopated jazz box, the 3 steps of that jazz box are probably the hardest thing for people to, I think, get the hang of. 7 and 8, back, or cross back out. Okay, 7 and 8. So just so we know where we're going, we came from doing a right shuffle, 7 and 8. We're then doing a rock, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, we're doing that though facing 9 o'clock. So we just came from our triple step, 7 and 8, first with a rock out, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so we're on our last count of 8 of Cowboy Casanova, or Casanova Cowboy. Now that we stepped out to our left side, we're starting with a cross point, starting with crossing our right over our left. So 1, crossing my right over my left. 2, taking that left and pointing it out to my left side. 3, 4, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. So taking my left. 3, crossing that over. 4, I'm pointing my right foot out to my right side. So 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. 5 and 6, I'm doing a right sailor step, so back, side, side. 5 and 6. 7 and 8, I'm doing a half turning left sailor step. So back, side, side, but I'm making a half turn over my left shoulder. 7 and 8. Okay, that puts me at 3 o'clock, and that's going to be my new wall. So that kind of 8 started with the cross points. We just stepped out with our left, right? So crossing 1.2, 3, 4, sailor, 5, and 6, turning 7 and 8. All right, so now that we learned all 32 counts of Casanova Cowboy, let's go ahead and try them all together, starting from the walks forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let me start with our walks forward again. 1, 2. Okay, so that was all of Casanova Cowboy. There's no tags and no restarts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you out on the dance floor.